Hey, basses, we're going to take a look at Christmastime by Michael W. Smith and Joanna Carlson, arranged by Lloyd Larson. Ladies are going to start it off. You guys are going to come in page 4, measure 13. You're singing with the tenors. Children, gather around and listen. You'll hear the sound of angels filling the sky, telling everyone Christmas time is here. Okay, so on here you're changing to the key of F. Okay, modulating to F. All right, and then you'll at the word here, at the words is here, you'll be singing a harmony with the tenors. All right, basses, you come back in at the bottom of page 5, singing with the tenors. Loved ones close to our hearts and strangers in lands afar, together sharing the joy. Emmanuel, go tell the world he has come to dwell. The time is here. With one voice, let the world rejoice. Okay, so on Joyce, modulate again instead of the key of G. All right, now measure 45 is the bass part. Angels we have heard on high, sweetly singing o'er the plain, and the mountains in reply echo back their joyous strains. Okay, and now we're going to get into the Gloria part. This is what you're singing for this version of it. It goes Then we go in at measure 65 to ring Christmas bells. Ring Christmas bells, ring them loud with a message bringing peace on the earth, tidings of good cheer. Come carolers, come and join with the angels singing joy to the world. Christmas time is here. I just want to point out, make sure you utilize those eighth rests and also quarter rests when they give them to you to take a breath, okay? Page 11, the final page coming in. Sing Gloria, Gloria, in excelsis Deo. Sing Gloria, in excelsis Deo. Of course, we're going to bring out that last page. See the double F there, so it's really going to be brought out, okay? All right, thank you very much, basses. If you find these videos to be helpful, feel free to subscribe and click the like button because that helps us get it to more people. And if you have any songs that you want me to go over and break apart like this, feel free to send over a suggestion. Thank you. Have a great day or night or whenever you're watching this.